Well, hello, Captain Friends. Christmas prep has begun. Mama's over here prepping. Mama, tell them what you're up to.
Oh,
Tomorrow.
I'm making pumpkin rolls.
She just made this pumpkin roll. I missed the whole thing. She done had it done. What else are you prepping?
I've got banana bread in the oven.
Oh, look over there. Banana bread. Ooh, that's popped up good.
I filled them good, so. And it's not hardly time to open the door.
That'll be good. No, don't open it. We don't mess it up. They can see it. Show them your pumpkin roll.
Oh, the pumpkin roll's right here.
Go ahead and cut it.
I gotta put it in something.
I'm eating some pecans. Good evening, Linda. How are you? Hello, Granny Jeannie. How are you?
I'm gonna
Hi,
cut
John.
it in
Hi,
half.
Rosa. So we cut it in half, and that makes 2 rows. But then you have your ragged ends on both ends.
There.
Those are usually what we get to eat. Look how pretty.
Oh. It's warm yet, so it's not doing this good.
Yeah. Mama and my aunt and my uncle are in here prepping. And I've gotten home from work, and I'm going to help them prep. Mama, I got chores to do.
Well, you was gonna make cheese balls, or you're gonna wait till in the morning since you had to work so late.
I'll do whatever my mama tells me to. You the boss. I don't know.
No, I'm not on cheese balls. You're gonna do them.
I mean, I don't know when you want to make. In the morning will be fine.
Well, I figured it would be after you work so late.
What else have you got going on?
I've made Chex Mix, the old original. I got flour all over.
Hello, Joanne. Hello, Tamara. How are you? You want to bring your cake down here and show them?
Yeah, bring it. Yeah.
Is that Italian cream?
Here is
Oh, Mama, you've been really busy today. Look at that beautiful I love the wheat. What's your favorite? And do you pick them out?
I'm
pick
glad
'em
you
out.
like the wheat. They're my least.
Mama's, what's your favorite? Corn?
Yeah, corn and rice.
Oh, this is so good. She left the pretzels out to cut down on the salt. Bernice, bring your cake down here.
He's wanting to show you cake, Bernice. Come on.
She's finishing it up with some pecans. Mama, this is really good.
It's not as salty, right?
Not as salty.
I tried to help.
That'll cut back. I love to watch her fight with plastic wrap.
Oh, it's no fun.
She's working on it. It's a work in progress.
Oh, wow.
Shiny
Oh,
over here.
let me get
Beautiful Italian cream.
Let me get out of the way here.
Look how pretty. Is that a 3-layer?
Yes.
Mm.
You want my stack too?
You got a stack cake too?
Yes.
Well, let's see it.
In your refrigerator.
Oh, now she's doing show and tell. She's not. She's trying to help us out. Mama, what are you gonna fix next? Mama's been busy. Merry Christmas, Carolyn said.
Merry Christmas.
God bless you both. I need Mama's energy. I do too, Linda. Oh, if I just had half of it.
I'm going to make some gravy.
Gina just finished baking.
It's hard.
Cut
isn't
some
it?
more of those and let them see how pretty they are.
Cut some more. I'm getting powdered sugar everywhere.
No, that won't hurt today. Hi from Alabama. Hey, Barbara. Oval cake. That's so pretty. Yep, that Italian cream is pretty, isn't it?
Here is the
Mama's been busy today.
Pumpkin
Deb said.
roll.
Oh, that's pretty, Mama. You'll have to
Afterward.
let us have these in pieces, but give that one to John. John, did you get some coffee? They give you some coffee? Did you get some fresh coffee?
Oh, no, that's okay.
Oh,
He said he didn't drink
I
it.
ain't been drinking too much coffee.
you ain't. Love stack cake, Keith Blake
I've
said.
been drinking tea,
Have you?
hot tea.
Yeah, that's good for you too. Mama has been a very busy elf So have I. Mary, what have you fixed? Mama has been busy. Do we have any granny fudge yet, or is that still?
No, that's in the morning.
All right, you heard her. So in the morning, probably some granny fudge and probably some. You and all your the cream cheeses laid out for the cheese balls.
Yeah, I can lay them back.
Should I go ahead and fix them tonight? I'm fine to do it.
Whatever you feel like. You're the one.
Do y'all want to see cheese balls, or are you about tired of that? Blessed. Hey, Tammy, we're all blessed. So blessed. Pumpkin rolls are delicious. I make them too. Aren't they good, Dorothy? I've helped make them, but I've never tackled to do one. And used to, Mama would make a red velvet roll at Christmas time.
Yeah. They like, Pam likes pumpkin, so.
Yeah, pumpkin. You can't hardly beat the original.
And the banana bread is for the
Oh,
boys.
thank you, Lacey. You're so sweet. Oh, here's the old fashioned.
I tried that.
6 layers, ain't it?
6-layer dried apple. She's got it coated in apples. What is that on the outside?
Apples.
It's
Dried apples. She got them in
Dried
the
apple.
dehydrator.
Dried apples. Oh, mercy. Look at that. Can y'all see that? 6 layers. Is there those stacks in there? Man alive. That's going to eat good. This is my Aunt Bernice, in case y'all haven't met her. I think everybody on here's seen her before.
Yeah.
So that's a good. Did you make those in a? Where'd you make them in?
What?
The cakes.
A small cake pan.
Oh,
And the other one was the large cake
making fancy stuff here. Looking good, Mama. Hey, Piggy. Well, Mama, I guess that's what you got for now. I was gonna wait on the banana bread to come out.
It's been in there like 40 minutes. I don't know. The oven was hot though when I put it in. I can't tell.
It's got 3 loaves in there. We
Every
won't have to-
time Heather's boys comes, they was up here Sunday night, and one of them said, "Well, where's our banana bread?"
You think you keep it all the time for him?
Yeah, he thinks I'm the
Well.
banana bread maker.
He got you to make some more, so he did his job.
I've got pineapples in that one. It's more like Hawaiian banana bread, just a little bit.
This house smells like Christmas. It's if we could find a air freshener that smelled this good all the time, I'd keep it plugged in.
No, you'd starve to death.
It probably would make me hungry. The whole house smells like banana bread, pumpkin bread, cakes.
The reason they like that banana bread is I put nuts, raisins, and chocolate chips in there for them. So,
Yeah, we're having our family over, Janet. We'll have probably 10 so here, not a huge bunch, but
if Heather and the boys come, so it'll be
yeah, maybe a
about
few.
12 or 15.
Mama's just wanting me to be wrong. Did you notice she's correcting me? Tell him, Mama.
Tell them like it is.
Everything looks delicious. Thank you, Cindy. Hey, Maxine. All right, folks. There'll be more to come. If I do cheese balls, if you want me to, I'll come back out here. If you're not tired, I've seen cheese balls and make the cheese balls, Gina said. If I do, I'll come back out and let you see if you want to. Mama's not really crazy about the dill pickle one. I just wanted to try it again because it's so good.
I'm going to take that little one out and let you show it.
But she does have the cranberry one that she's wanting us to do. So we might do it.
I'll put these in.
I don't think it has cranberries in it, though. It's got craisins, which is dried cranberries. And I think it probably needs to be made 4 or 5 hours so it can soften. Look at that banana bread. Shows does look good, Mama. You gonna make an icing for it tonight?
No, I didn't put icing on yours.
Is it done?
I don't know if that center is. I better stick it back in there.
Mama, how clean does a toothpick have to be for you?
Well, you feel at it. See that little sticky?
I think it'll bake a little bit more and it'll be perfect.
Got 2 or 5 more minutes.
2 or 5, two or
2 or
5,
5 more
2 or 5 more minutes.
You don't even want to go on page.
I'd let it sit there and let it bake a few more minutes and on here. Sure wish I was sampling everything. That is a good job, Joey, is to get through the sample. What's your Christmas meal? We're having turkey and ham, pineapple casserole, mashed potatoes, green beans, dressing, of course. We'll be making it in the morning, probably.
Bottom
And-
of the list is what I was having.
Oh, Mama's gave me a list now. We're really in business. Turkey and dressing and gravy, mashed potatoes, green beans, corn, and carrots. Rolls, cranberry relish, corn casserole, deviled eggs, of course. And then, Mama made this list. Over here is fruit cake and pies and salads and red cinnamon apples and sweet potato casserole.
Pineapple casserole.
Cheese balls and crackers and Chex Mix and peanut butter candy and chocolate candy. If it's got more candy on it than it does protein, Mama made that list.
Well, Bernice is made of sweet potato casserole.
Did you make
And a
that
broccoli
chocolate
casserole.
delight?
Yeah.
I make a use chocolate
And
delight.
chocolate delight. Ooh, we love that.
Sweet potato and broccoli casserole goes on that too.
We'll have plenty. We'll have plenty. There'll be enough to dip and get a plate full. You know you got a good meal when the plate when you hold everything. You just got one little dip.
Me too. Need a plate.
And we'll have some good coffee. I'm going to make
You
some
all
Russian
sweet
tea
too.
for tomorrow night.
You all
That's our tradition. We have Russian tea every Christmas Eve. And my Russian tea is a simple version. I start out with half a gallon of tea. And then I put about a quart of orange juice, a quart of pineapple juice. And I will add apple juice, but apple juice don't add any flavor, but it does add volume. Apple juice will take on the flavors of everything else. Put a little cinnamon in it. I slice some oranges and put in it, and maybe an apple, just for looks. And it's so good. So good. And it does have sugar in it. We're going to put a little sugar in it. I may try a little substitute just so it won't be as sweet. And what you got going on over there, Mom?
putting up my spice.
Oh, she's putting up. I thought she was getting out. When she gets out, I think what we fixing. But we'll do a ham and cheese and pineapple cheese ball. I think Mama's wanting to do logs this year. One of y'all recommended logs.
I want to, not logs, it'll be like cutting, shaped like a butter stick. Well, log, it'll be real like.
You want to?
Instead of the balls, because that way I think you can just slice them.
They call it a log, Mama.
Whoever said that gave me a good idea. I'm going to try it this year.
They do call it a cheese ball log or a cheese.
Stick.
Mama loves. Get up here where they can see if you're going to correct me.
Yeah.
Mama loves to
I
correct
got
me better than
blur all
anything
over
in the
me.
world. Don't you, Mama?
Yeah.
She can
I
correct
spent
me.
your whole life, I started saying my whole life, your whole life to correct, didn't you?
I know.
That's reading
If I say 3, she'll say maybe it was 4. Or it could have been
this
5.
is the reason that you turned out so good is I corrected you something.
It's a log. No, it's not a log. It's a stick. It's a.
Looks great.
And we got some cardboard from somebody and pot holders.
We'll show it. This place is a production line tonight. We've got all kinds of stuff going.
I'm finished. Finished.
Right here, you get those out.
Oh, how nice. What is this? Because John always calls Mama Butterfly, I thought she might enjoy these. Kim, my daughter is the one who has the creative talent to make these. I can cook, but have other talents. Laugh out loud. Well, good.
See if I just see if it got her name on
Oh, there's
it.
another plate. Oh, Mama, these are pretty.
No,
Now, are these pie holders?
I won't be able to put them. I'm not
Look at that. Mama's a butterfly. That kind of matches you.
Kim. Now, guess how pretty that is.
Open it like that. Kim wrote that, and this is from Kim Cunningham. Kim Cunningham, thank you. Look how pretty. Now that's talent.
That's beautiful.
That is talent. The backs, they're. Ooh. Oh, and look,
Them will be showings. They won't be usings.
these will be hanging on the tree next time, Kim.
Those are showers.
How
I'll put them on
pretty.
there tonight if I can find a spot.
Beautiful. These butterflies are beautiful.
Beautiful.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yes, all,
Big and are thick.
yes, all goes together.
Y'all are so kind.
And this is my card.
Oh, wow.
I don't know how you open it up right.
It's one of those 3D cartoons. Well,
You'll,
y'all probably wonder what we're doing.
we're fighting
It's a
over.
village. It's a beautiful Christmas village. See here. Look how pretty that is. Beautiful card village.
There's the card.
And a peaceful Christmas to you.
Isn't it beautiful?
Beautiful. And a barn.
Oh, I love that.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is from Merry Christmas. John and Mama, I hope you all and Mama are having a wonderful Christmas. You guys are my kitchen buddies. Oh, how sweet. I'm home alone until around 9 p.m. So I have dinner with you guys. Oh, good. Hope all is well. Merry Christmas. And it's Gage from Gage Christmas. Well, Gage, thank you for eating with us, and what a beautiful card.
Beautiful card.
Beautiful.
I love it.
And look at this.
I've never had
Beautiful.
nothing like that.
Oh,
Beautiful village.
Isn't that pretty?
That is beautiful. All right, Mama, you did good today in the mailbox.
Yeah.
It feels like Friday, but it's not. It's Tuesday. It's Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, so this is Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve is when you do all your prep for your Christmas Eve parties, and then Christmas Eve morning you can do some prep, and Christmas Eve you can prep for Christmas Day. So that's what you always do. You're always a day ahead of Mom. All right, Mama, you ready to take it out?
Don't you smell them?
I smell them. They smell delicious. They smell delicious.
Here's another one.
Did it turn out good?
Check that one for me.
And now, Mama, I would have checked it a while ago and said it was fine. If you put a toothpick in there and pull it out and it's clean, I call it good.
Yeah.
Mama, she was a little, I think it looks fine. You can also see if it springs back a little, and it does. Look at that.
There you go.
Well, yeah, those are done. And they'll bake another few minutes. Like, you know, if there was just a little bit, they'll bake while
That's
this
one I
is-
took out and messed up.
They don't just stop baking. All those are clean. We're good. Those will make beautiful, beautiful. Let's see, let you see them all.
The boys will be tickled.
Look at that. Beautiful banana breads. Mama, you did good. All right, Mama, tell the folks goodbye. And we'll,
Goodbye, Mama. and God bless
if
you.
we do anything else tonight, we'll come out and let you see. If we don't, we'll do it in the morning when we do it.
Yeah.
Because we don't know what we're up to.
That's right. We sure don't know.
All right, then, folks. Y'all have a great night. Thank you for joining us. And you all have a Merry Christmas.
That's right. Very Merry Christmas.
And we'll see you tonight or tomorrow morning. Who knows? The night's still young. It's just 7. We may get into something here in a minute. We don't go to bed early on these nights. So if I make a cheese ball in a few minutes, I'll let you see it.
Okay. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.